all love our pets, but accidents do happen. Introducing PERT, a revolutionary new service specially formulated to eliminate urine odors from your carpets. PERT has shown excellent results on even the most severe urine damage. Urine in carpeting is a severe problem that requires major restoration work, not just simple cleaning and treating. But now, with revolutionary PERT, your most severe urine damaged areas can be saved. Urine deposited on carpet penetrates deep into the fibers and contaminates both the backing of the carpet and the flooring material below. These deposits cause odors that permeate from deep in the floor. Often pets will urinate without your knowledge. As the urine dries, the liquid evaporates, leaving urine crystals that are even more concentrated and pungent. Simple cleaning will only mask this odor. PERT goes to the molecular level of the odor and destroys it, not by masking the odor, but by breaking down the molecule and destroying it forever. Remember, all carpets need professional cleaning from time to time.